Hi, my name is Elizabeth Griever, and my company is Everson Cooper. We provide solutions to homeowners that need to sell their house in an as-is condition. And this is our video series for the Busy Professional's Guide to Real Estate Investing. So there are many ways that you can get involved in real estate investing, and one of those is you can be a lender yourself. Now, there are rules and regulations that you need to go through. I would encourage you to link up with a local real estate attorney if this is something that you are going to do to make sure that you follow all the rules. However, you can use your money and lend it to somebody that is fixing up a house to sell or fixing up a house that they want to rent, so they would refi out of your loan, and you can make decent returns on that money and then get it back and do it again. So this way, maybe the person that you're lending to will walk you through the construction, and of course you're going to walk through the numbers together, but maybe you can learn from them along the way so that things seem easier, and then after a few times of lending your money out, you can do it yourself and buy your own flip or rental property. So you can leverage your own money and be the bank. You just have to make sure that you follow all the rules from the SEC all the way to legal side of it and do it correctly. So find a local real estate attorney that can help you through that and make sure that you're doing it right. This is our guide to the Busy Professional's Guide to Real Estate Investing. Thank you so much for tuning in.